Hello, everyone. My name is Jessica Stuivenberg. I am a Google for Education certified trainer. In part 3 of Google AI for Teachers, we are going to look at using AI in Google Classroom. In this video, we will explore the pre-created gems that are available in Google Classroom to enhance your teaching. In addition, I will show you how to create and personalize your own gem. Using Gemini AI in Google Classroom provides many benefits for teachers. Gemini in Google Classroom can save you time completing daily classroom tasks. From lesson planning to creating assessments, Gemini can enhance your instruction. Let's get started. Navigate to Google Classroom. Open the Chrome browser and navigate to classroom.google.com. Then look on the left sidebar and click on Gemini. When Gemini in Google Classroom opens, you will see a multitude of AI tools specifically curated for educators. There are so many, they didn't fit on just one slide. Let's look at one example. Build a choice board. Build a choice board asks me to select a target grade for my audience and a topic. I can also select an artifact from my Google Drive to fine-tune the activities that it generates. For this example, I am selecting options that go along with this video. I have chosen adults for my chosen audience. My topic is using Gemini in Google Classroom. I then added this slide deck from my drive as my artifact. Last, I will click Generate. 5 activities were created to help my learners practice this content. I can edit the activities if I don't think they are appropriate, or I can click Add to Class to automatically use these activities. I chose Add to Class. I have the option to create any type of assignment. I am choosing to provide this choice board as material for my adult learners to look at, but I could have chosen to post this as an assignment if I wanted my class to actually do one of the activities. In my Google Classroom, this choice board is now available for educators to look at as an example of using Gemini in Google Classroom. Here are some additional pre-made gems that are available to use. The icons beside the different gems give a hint to how the output that it creates differs. This icon lets me know that this is a Gemini chat that will help me create a math spiral review for my class. The chat conversation with Gemini first clarifies my role and the task. Then Gemini poses a question for me to answer to keep the conversation going. I answer this question, and then Gemini poses another open-ended question. The questions that Gemini poses allows me to reflect about the content I want Gemini to create for my students. Gemini continues to ask me probing questions after I respond to keep the conversation moving forward. This helps Gemini to create the output exactly as I have imagined it. Here, Gemini is helping me to reflect on the rigor for this assignment and is adjusting the difficulty level to match. I appreciate how the guiding questions are helping me to think deeply about the content that is being created. Lastly, Gemini creates the spiral review activity that I was envisioning to use with my class. I can then scroll down and share it. This output allows me to export to Google Docs instead of assigning directly to Google Classroom. In this way, I can choose to add my own formatting before I give it to my students. Here are some examples of the different output types that could be generated from these pre-made gems. Next, I will show you how you can create your own personalized gem. Scroll down and find Create a Gem under Personalized Gemini. Click Create a Gem. You will land on the Gem Manager. At the bottom of this page is where your personalized gems will be stored. Click New Gem to create a new one. On this page, you can build your own personalized gem. Think about tasks that you currently do over and over. Fill out the instructions telling Gemini what you would like it to do so that you no longer have to do redundant tasks. For this example, I have uploaded this slide deck for this training video. I am asking Gemini to create an animated story out of the training. The output can be exported to Google Docs. A cartoon version of the training is now created. This is a way to add some fun into my training deck. Thank you for watching. Which Gemini resource and Google Classroom will you use? Let me know in the comments. I am Jessica Stuivenberg wishing you an impactful day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.